Hi everyone, this is Kavya. In this video, we are going to learn about one of the AWS services, which is AWS Studio. We use AWS Studio to accelerate our full stack web application and web development. It is easy to start, easy to scale, and no cloud expertise needed. To understand this in detail, we can build a quiz app using AWS Amplify Studio with AWS AppSync. Let us go through it. Firstly log into our AWS console, and then we can go to the AWS Amplify, or we can search here like AWS Amplify. In this way we can go to the page. To create a new app, we can go to the new app and build an app. Here I have already built a quiz app and named it as a React app. Now I am going to explain you this in detail. I've already deployed, and on the 3rd of this month we can launch the studio. See, as far as we have launched the studio, we'll go from AWS to Amplify Studio, and it do creates an environment. Now firstly, our main aim is to build a quiz app. For quiz app, we have some modules like questions and answers, and also the correct answer for that. Actually, we are building this project from the client side, so that client can know what is the correct answer, and also his scorecard. We have added the modules like answer, question in this way. In this way we can add this. For the question, we have given the text form, which is a string, and for the answer we have given also the text form, which is the string. We need the correct answer to know about this, so we have built up a relationship between the question and the answer. In this way, there are two relationships like many to one and one to one. Add a relationship. In this way we can add the relationship between the answer and the question. In the question, we have given the answers belongs to the question and many answers to one question. In this way we can add the relationship. Let me show you this. In this way we have given the relationship between the answer and the question to the answer, many question to one answer, many question to many answer, one question to one answer. In this way we have given this. And now we can also do this by writing the queries, but here in the visual editor we can do this in a simple way, but here we are also converted easily into the queries, and the schemas are given here itself, so it is easy to understand for the beginners also. And now we can also add the authentication. Okay, actually we have added the authentication like login and sign up pages, and here we can log in through our email, and we have also other options through phone number, Facebook, Google, and all other. We can also enable the multi-factor authentication. As this is a basic project, I have not done it. And here is the sign up page. We can add all these attributes and also give the password protection, which is the length, and these are the required things to build up a password. And through the email or the SMS we can get the verification code, which is a captcha or a OTP, which contains both the numbers and the letters as per our requirements, and we can deploy this. And now let us go to the content. In this content, we will give the questions and answers, and what is the correct answer for the question we have chosen. We can go to the actions and auto generate it. Here we can build a number of things we needed to do and generated data. Firstly, if we go to the questions, see here we have given the 5 questions, and now firstly let us go to one of the question. Who is the god of the cricket? We all know who is the god of the cricket. He is Sachin Tendulkar. In this is the answers, like these are the options for this question given. So to know how these answers are added, we can go to the answers. We have added the options like Rohit, Chris, Mahendra, Sachin Tendulkar on all other. Now if you want to display the correct answer, we can go to the add item, and here we are given the given options, like if you add the Sachin Tendulkar and add it, accepted answer, see for this question, and these are the options, and this is the accepted option. Now we can submit that. See, and we are also given a clarity like created on this time and updated on this date. Due to this we can easily understand the things. And now let us know a few things about the GraphQL API. Here this is the resource name, React app, and update the GraphQL API. Actually through the GraphQL API we can install and do everything through only the command lines. Install amplify CLI and pull your amplify project, and also the add GraphQL capabilities. In this way we can do everything in a normal way, so it is very easy for mostly the professionals and all others. And now let us go to the content once again. As shown here, GraphQL API, and here we can test the GraphQL API. Actually these are our queries. Now query is my query and list the answers. Suppose if we have given the list the answers, here it itself writes the code like list the answers, and these are the answers, these are the answers given, these are the answers to all the questions we have given. In this way it is very easy to the client persons to easily understand everything in an easy way. Here we also have the other options as per the requirements like predictions, interactions, functions and storage. And if you don't know anything, we can go through the UI library also. UI library, and see here we have given the answer create form, answer update form, question create form, question update form. In this way we can easily know the things and add it in a easy way. We can copy the code without writing something manually, which is very much easy and which differs AWS from other things. We can deploy all the changes made, and here is the thing we can, this is the source code, and here is the thing we can do. This is the select the module. We have the two modules given like answer or the question. For answer this is the source code, and for the question also this is the source code, and we have not given any authentication properties, so these two options are not enabled, and we can add if we need it. And here are some of the other points like authentication rules. And in this way, this is the home page for the content before adding the questions and the answers. In this way we have added the questions, then made the changes and given the correct answer. This is the data manager, these are the queries, and in this way we are given the code. And for the storage, like understanding the GraphQL in an easy way. And now let us go to the VS Code, VS Studio, and this is the code backend for building the application. See, these are some of the modules like amplify, node modules, public and SRC. In this SRC we have the React app already created, and also some of the other modules like GraphQL, which is very much easy, like we can use all those given commands here easily and easily deploy. And this is the Amplify Studio, backend, API, authentication types and backend configuration and etc. We will use the following commands to add the Amplify to the Visual Studio Code and activate this in this form. And yeah, we are done. In this way we'll build a page for the quiz app. Actually I'm working on this, and we'll soon look at the output in the other part. Thank you so much.